Hi students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to grade 12 business mathematics class. Dear students, in our last class we have completed the second chapter and I have give all the one words everything and I asked you to learn summary notes everything and I asked you to take all the things to your classworks. I hope you all of you completed the first two units thoroughly and all of you wrote everything in your classwork. So today in this class we are going to start our new chapter. Our chapter name is Integral Calculus 2. Okay. So second chapter is Integral Calculus 1. It is Integral Calculus 2. So whatever the things you have learned in Integral Calculus 1 we will use here. So don't forget that things everything. So if you are in the second unit then only we will do this one. Okay, so somewhat it's a different, but whatever the things you have learned in the second unit we will use here. Okay, so all of you completed please second unit. So then afterwards you start the third unit. First I am giving some introduction for you. I will read out and I will give whatever the things you need to take to your note. Okay, so when you are doing the problem I will explain it deeply. I understand. The reason is first itself if I am explaining you won't get idea. So just we will go through. When you are doing the problem we will go. I will explain it clearly. Understand? Okay. First the chapter name is Integral Calculus 2. In this Integral Calculus 2 first section is the area of a region bounded by the curves. Okay. So the area of a region bounded by the curve. So the main thing is we are going to find the area of a region that is bounded by a curve. Okay. So all of you put down the heading Unit 3 Integral Calculus 2. Then take down from here to your notes. Okay. The area of a region bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x with the x-axis and the ordinate at x is equal to a and x is equal to b is given by area is equal to integral of a to b y dx. This is a main formula we will use here. Understand students? So what's this thing you need to take to your note? So unit 3 put the heading Integral Calculus 2 y is equal to this f of x. Okay, so this is a thing we will use here often. So that is somewhat different. So here the area of a region bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x. The meaning is it is x-axis, it is y-axis. Okay. So here the limit is x is equal to a and x is equal to b. So this is x equal to a, this is x equal to b. So this is the area of a region bounded by the curve. Okay. This is area bounded by the curve. So area A equal to y dx. Now you will get little idea when you are doing the problem. You will get thorough knowledge. Okay. So you need to take down this much to your class. Understand? Okay. There they gave 3 notes. Just I am giving. That is what are the slight changes there. Here if the curve lies below the x-axis. Okay. It's all very very important. You read out in your book. No need to take your note. Okay. Below the x-axis means minus symbol will be there. Understand? Minus y dx. Understand? So first you have learned with the x-axis. Okay. So next one below the y-axis. Sorry, below the x-axis. So our main thing is it is the x-axis. Above the x-axis means integral a to b y dx. Understand? So here below the y-axis, x-axis means what you need to do? Minus y dx. Okay. Then next one, here we have learned for x-axis, is it right? Above the x-axis, below the x-axis. Next we are going to learn that is the area of a region bounded by the curve x equal to f of y between the limits y is equal to c and y equal to d. So y is equal to c means always keep it in mind. My x is equal to a and x is equal to b means that's a vertical line. Okay, vertical line. Okay, so if it is y means we will get a horizontal line. Understand? We will get a horizontal line. So y is equal to f of y between the limits x is equal to c and x is equal to d, both are horizontal lines. If it is x is equal to a and x is equal to b means vertical line, y is equal to something and y is equal to something, the limits means it's a horizontal line. Okay, so it's a horizontal line with the x-axis, y-axis and the area lies to the right of y-axis. Okay, it is right. If it is right means the formula is x dy. Integral c to d or a to b something x dy. If it is left side means minus. Now you got it. These are the 4 things we will use in this first section. Understand? So first I taught you, it's the main thing. It is above the x-axis means integral of a to b y dx. Is it right? Then second one is below the x-axis means what will you do? Minus symbol will be there. Then next one is right of y-axis. That is right of y-axis means x dy. That is y dx. So if it is right of y-axis means x dy. Then next one is left of y-axis means minus symbol will be there. These are the 4 things we will use in the problems. Understand? So this notes, everything you no need to take to your note. You can learn from your book. Those who are feeling difficult, I am feeling difficult when I am learning in the book. I won't learn like that in this category months. Please take down from here to your notes. No problem. Understand? So, but these 4 things are very, very important. Okay. Next one is angle between 2 curves. Okay. How will you find the angle between the 2 curves? Take down your book. Let f of x and g of x be 2 continuous functions defined on x in a interval a comma b. Also f of x is greater than g of x in a less than or equal to b. Then the area between the 2 curves, this is a formula. What's the area between the 2 curves? So one thing you do, put the heading area between 2 curves right from here to here. So let start from let, okay. What is start from there? Let f of x and g of x be 2 continuous functions. Start from there and up to this one you write it. A is equal to integral a to b f of x minus g of x into dx. Okay, so 5 things you have learned, 4 formulas there. This is area between the 2 curves. Understand? I think you got 50 or 40% idea. So when you are doing the problem, you will be well thorough. Understand, students? Okay, let's move to the question. Example 3.1. Question is, find the area bounded by y is equal to 4x plus 3 with x-axis between the lines x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. Solution. Okay. So find the area bounded by y is equal to 4x plus 3 with x-axis. So you keep it in mind with the x-axis. So it is above the x-axis or below the x-axis, you need to find out first. So if it is above the x-axis, we'll write what's the formula? Y dx. Is it right? If it is below the x-axis, minus y dx. That's the only difference. Before that, we need to draw the curve. Here, the drawing the curve and finding the limits, it is very, very important. So if you are well thorough in that, doing the problem is very, very easy for you. Okay. So for this, first you need to find the plotting point. So here x and y is there. So form one tabular column. Then only it will be easy for you. Okay. Form one tabular column. Okay. So here x for one value and y for one value you need to take. Whatever may be, no problem. So I am taking here x for 0. Another one y for 0. Understand? So I am taking here x for 0. If it is x is equal to 0, what's the value here? This is a equation. It is given line equation. Here if it is x equal to 0, what will happen? When x is equal to 0, what will happen? Y is equal to 3. Okay. Okay. Y is equal to 3. Now, so y is equal to 3. Now, substitute for y equal to 0. When y equal to 0, what will happen? Substitute in this particular equation. So, 0 is equal to 4x plus 3. So, 4x is equal to minus 3. So, x is equal to minus 3 by 4. Okay, so here the value is minus 3 by 4. Understand? Now, you got 2 points. Now, you can plot the points. Okay, so what are the points we have up to 0, 3 and minus 3 by 4, 0. Understand, students? So for drawing the graph, I have took 2 points. So x for 0, what's the y value? Then y for 0, what's the value? You will have it. Why, mom, you are taking 0, 0. If you need, you can take 1 or 2 or anything. Okay, but x for 1 value, y for 1 value, you need to take. Okay. So we have got it. Now you can draw the diagram. So it is x-axis, it is y-axis. Okay, this one you know, is it right? Okay. Now approximately only I will draw. Okay. So here 0, 3. Where it will be, ma? 0, 3 means where it will be? 0, 3. Approximately it will be here. Correct? 0, 3. Okay. That. Minus 3 by 4, 0. So here it is minus 1. Correct? Minus 1, minus 2. So minus 3 by 4 means it will be less than minus 1. Correct? Minus 3 by 4, 0. It will be here, nearly here. So you join these two lines, these 2 points and extend this. Okay. Please draw by using scale. Okay. I am drawing somewhat slantly. So please draw by using scale. Okay. Then only it will be correct. Okay. We draw by using scale. Now, what are the limits that is given in a question? X equal to 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen very carefully. X is equal to 1. Is it right? So always I said if it is x value means it will be a vertical line. Draw by using scale. Okay. So it is x is equal to 1. Then next one, what's the value given? X equal to 4. If you are drawing by using the scale, then only it will be correct. Please extend this and join like this. X equal to 4 means in 4 it will be the x equal to 4. Okay. Now x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. Okay. Now this is area. This is the area bounded by the curve. This area only you need to find. Got it? Understand? Then solving it will be very easy. When drawing the curve, you will feel somewhat difficult. Understand? So what I did first, take any 2 points and we will draw one straight line. It will be a straight line. I not draw straight line. Okay, it will be somewhat slanting. You please draw by using scale. Understand? Then x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. That's the limit. So limit from x equal to 1 to x equal to 4. What's the line name is? Y is equal to 4x plus 3. Please write down all the things like this. Okay. Okay. This is a diagram. Now we will find the area. Okay. Now I am asking one question. Whether it is above the x-axis or below the x-axis? It is above the x-axis. So what's the formula? Integral a to b y dx. Okay. So here what's the a value? It is 1. Is it right? The limit from 1 and 4. So 1 to 4 y dx. That's all. Okay. Now substitute the y value here. 1 to 4 y value is 4x plus 3 dx. Okay. Now we are going to simplify this. I am writing here. Okay. So that's equal to simplify. That is first you need to, what did you do? You need to integrate. Okay. So 4 into, what's the integration of x? This and all you have learned there. So x square by 2 plus 3 into 3 dx means 3x. The integration is from 1 to, sorry, limit is from 1 to 4. So this and this you can cancel. So you got this 2x square plus 3x, limit from 1 to 4. Now apply the limits. That's equal to 2 is a constant. So x square, upper limit minus lower limit. Is it right? So 4 square minus 1 plus 3 into upper limit minus lower limit. That is 4 minus 1. That's equal to 2 into 16 minus 1 plus 3 into 3. So 2 into 15 means 30 plus 9. That is equal to 39 square units. It is very, very important. The reason is it is area. That's all. I think it's very easy. But this one you will get somewhat confusion. So draw it very neatly. Again and again I am saying please draw by using the scale. When you are drawing the scale you will get somewhat slightly difference. Okay. Okay. Draw by using scale. Okay. So 0, 3 minus 3 by 4, 0. First you plot the point. Draw the straight line. Afterwards according to the given limit draw the vertical line. And that's the area bounded by the curve. Then y dx, whether it is above or below. When you are drawing the curve only you will have it out. Why ma'am this curve and all you are drawing? Simply we can write no. From the question itself 1 to 4 that equation we will write and we will integrate. No. The reason is If you are drawing the curve, then only you will find, is it right? Whether it is up or down or left or right. Okay. So for this we are doing. Anyhow, curve is very important. Curve is very important. This one we need to draw. Understand, students? I hope you got good idea. Let's move to the next problem. Example 3.2. Next question is example 3.2. The area of the region bounded by the line x minus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0, the y-axis, and the lines y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. So same as previous problem, but there is small difference. What's the difference? In the previous problem, area of a bounded region by the line, the x-axis. Here, y-axis. So at once you know the formula will be x dy. So x dy means whether it is positive or negative, after drawing the curve only you can find out. Is it right? So y is equal to 2, y is equal to 5. The limit is given. For further points you need to find. So here, first you can do one thing, that is the formula is x dy. So from this equation we need to find the x value first. So given x minus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. So from this if you find x value means what's the value? 2y plus 12. Okay. So first what will you do? We need to find the points. Okay. So same as previous problem, you can give for any two values. X, y. X for one value 0. Okay. So substitute here x was 0. So what will happen? 0 is equal to, x is equal to 0. Substitute here 0 equal to 2y plus 12. So 2y is equal to minus 12. So y is equal to minus 6. So you got the answer as minus 6. Next what will you do? Here y for 0 you can take. So when y is equal to 0, substitute there. X is equal to 2 into 0 plus 12. So what's the x value? 12. So it is 12. Now you got down the points. What are the points? 0, comma minus 6. Another one point 12, comma 0. Okay. So approximately if you draw means that will be enough. Okay. So now draw the curve. You draw neatly by using scale pencil. So okay, so this is x-axis, this is y-axis. What are the points? 0, comma minus 6. Where it will be? 0, comma minus 6 means 0, comma negative value means it will be here. Is it right? 0, comma minus 6. Okay, negative value start from minus 1. Here it will be start from plus 1. Here it will be start from minus 1. Here it will be start from 1. So my 0, comma minus 6. Then one more point. What's the point? 12, comma 0. Where it will be? Nearly it will be here, correct? 12, comma 0. Now what will you do? Join this by using scale. Okay, join this and please extend this. Okay. Okay. So this one. Next, what's the limit given in your question? Y equal to 2 and y equal to 5. So y equal to 2 means where it will be? It will be nearly here. Horizontal or vertical line? Horizontal line. It is y. Is it right? So it is y is equal to 2. Is it right? So it is y equal to 2. Y equal to 2. Then y equal to 5 means it will be approximately here. Correct? Y equal to 5. It's also horizontal line. Join up to here. Understand? So what's the area? This is the area bounded. This is for this one only you need to find the area. Understand? So write down the equation name also here. X minus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Understand? Understand? Very interesting. You can draw the diagram and you can enjoy. Okay. So now I drawn the diagram. So last problem, vertical line, is it right? X is equal to here, y is equal to. So now I am asking the question whether it is right or left. Right or left? It's right, correct? So what's the formula? X dy is a formula. Understand? If it is right means x dy. If it is left means only minus will be there. So what's the formula? Required area equal to integral. What's the limit? From where to where? What's the value which is given? Y equal to 2 and y equal to 5. So 2 to 5 x dy is a formula. What's the value of x we have found out first? X, what's the value of x we have found out? 2y plus 12 dy. Now we are going to integrate. Understand? So how will you integrate, ma? 2 into, what's the integration of, sorry, that's in 2 into, what's the integration of y? Y square by 2 plus 12 into integration of dy means y. Limit is from 2 to 5. Understand? So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Now what will you do? Upper limit minus lower limit. So what will happen? Balance y square plus 12y to 5. Upper limit minus lower limit. So first you will have put upper limit, that is 5 square plus 12 into 5 minus then upper limits 2 square plus 12 into 2. Do it very carefully. These are all the things you can know already. That is 5 square means 25 plus how much you will get? minus 4 plus 24. So 25 plus 60 means what's the value? 25 plus 60 means 85 minus 28. Subtract, ma'am. 85 minus 28 subtracted. So it is 7. Get 7. Here 57. So what's the answer? 57. Now all of you got idea? Okay, shall we repeat again? Okay, find the area of the region bounded by the line. One line is given, y-axis. So if it is y-axis means at once you know the formula is x dy. Whether it is right or left you need to find. If it is right means x dy, if it is left means minus. So for that I have to choose points and I have drawn the line first. Afterwards I have put the limit and y means it will be horizontal line. Okay, so from that found out the limit x dy, it is rightwards. So afterwards integrate and put upper limit minus lower limits. Integration is very easy here. So first when you are drawing the diagram and choosing up to here, it will be somewhat, you will feel somewhat difficult. Understand, students? I hope you got good idea. Okay, so 2 problems we have completed today. So that note is very important. What's the note? First one, what I said, x-axis it is above the x-axis means y dx. Okay, integration a to b y dx. If it is below the x-axis means integration of a to b minus y dx. Okay, the next one with y-axis left and right. Okay, left means minus y dy, minus x dy. If it is right means y dy, integration of x dy, integration of a to b x dy. Okay, so these 4 things are very important. Then angle between the 2 curves I have gave one formula for you. Then very important thing in this section is the drawing the graph. Okay, you need to be very careful. There also you need to put the limit, then particular line name, everything you need to put it there. Okay, then only you will feel it will be easy for you. Understand, students? So one more thing, last year you have learned in one chapter, that is parabola. You have learned that is open upward, open downward, open left, open right. What's the thing? That is y square is equal to 4x square, 4ax, y square is equal to minus 4x, open upward, rightward, focus, vertex, latus rectum, everything you have learned in one chapter. So before the next class, please students, all of you take down your last year book and learn that everything. Okay, last year I have taught that everything, that is latus rectum, focus, vertex, everything you have learned there. Parabola, what's the major equation for the parabola, h comma k, everything you have learned there. So that's the thing, that one I can't explain it again afterwards. So please take down your books and learn. If it is open upward means what about the focus, what about the latus rectum, what about the vertex. If it is rightward means what sort of the conditions, how it will be y square is equal 4x or x square is equal something, everything you need to learn from your last year book. before the next class. Okay, but the reason is next class we will do the problem related with the parabola, latus rectum and all is there. So before that you need to learn that one, then only you will feel easy for you. Understand students what I said? Will you learn? Okay, I hope you will learn. You will learn. Okay. Okay, now it's the time to give the homework. One problem I will give homework for you. Just practice it. Take down your book. Take down your book, all of you. Exercise 3.1. Problem number 1 and 2. That is, first problem is same as example 3.1. Okay. Homework is exercise 3.1. Problem number 1 and 2. Okay. First problem is same as example 3.1. That is 2y plus x is equal to 8. The x-axis. Okay. Next one is for the bounded lines by a curve by the lines. One line is given, y is equal to 1 and y equal to 3 and y-axis. Okay, so first problem is related to example 3.1, second problem is related to example 3.2. So two problems you need to do as homework before the next class. Then I asked you to learn something from your last year book. That work also you need to do. Understand students? Please learn down and take down everything to your classwork. Learn everything thoroughly. Understand students? I hope you got good idea in today's class. Okay, we will start from the next problem in our next class. Be safe students. Thank you.